Like, this was giving me some Storm from X-Men kind of vibes. Okay, I feel in the cut too. Like, y'all, I don't know nothing about nobody's wig. Okay, this is my very first time putting on a wig. Oh my God, stop texting me. I had to get my aunt help me with this one because I had to jam all my curls all up under this wig. How she did it, I don't know, y'all, but we ready to rock and roll real quick. I'm really feeling this cut, yo. Like, when I turn 30, bitch, I think this might be the cut though. Like, hey guys, I just wanted to throw that little clip in there because I thought it was really funny. And you know, this is my first time really putting on a wig and first time ever in my life because I have too much hair. So putting on a wig was a hassle, to say the least. Thank God for my aunt. But yeah, welcome to day 7 of my Halloween series. My name is Shelly, for those who don't know me. And hi, welcome to my channel. So today's look is dedicated to Dia de los Muertos. Literally, first of all, let me put this out here. I hope this isn't offensive in any way, shape, or form. I don't know, when I was younger and we first learned about this in my Spanish class, I just always had such an attraction to this holiday. And I know I'm not the only one in the 8th grade who learned about it. Like, that's probably around the time, like the first time anybody probably ever learned about, you know, the Day of the Dead. But yeah, ever since then, I just always, like, you know, kind of fell in love with it. I've never been. Of course, you know, I would love to go. Like, what? If I could be a sugar skull for as many days as I wanted to, girl, you know I'm in there. But yeah, I don't know. I love the culture. I love the festivities they have. I love everything about this holiday. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out of the way because I know a lot of people ask me, like, what am I mixed with or what is my ethnicity? And I know sometimes people assume that I am Spanish. And guys, I know I'm mixed, but guys, I don't have a lick of Spanish in me. So I'm just putting that out there. I don't want to offend anybody or whatever. So I'm just putting that out there. All right. So yeah, anyway, today's look is dedicated to Day of the Dead. And yeah, so this look is pretty simple and pretty self-explanatory, you guys. I literally use one eyeshadow and 2 body paints, literally. So I'm going to just let you guys enjoy this video and listen to the music as you watch, and I will talk to you guys on Tuesday. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.